Pocket notebooks are such a great tool that can be used for so many different things, like keeping score during a heated game of rummy, or making a packing checklist for your next trip. But my absolute favorite way to utilize a pocket notebook is by turning them into a photo album. I love film photography, and over the years I've taken a lot of photos. But after I get them developed and scanned, the digital files usually just sit in a folder somewhere on a hard drive, forgotten. So I knew I needed to find a way to keep these memories physically near. And that all started with printing zines. A couple years ago, I would compile all of my best shots into these little zines that I would get professionally printed at places like Artifact Uprising. And while this was a really fun experience, it was super expensive and it left me thinking, maybe there's a better DIY alternative. So I started making my own. And to do this, all you need is a pocket notebook. My personal favorites are the ones from Field Notes, like this beautiful one from the Birds and Trees of America edition. Next, you're gonna need a pen, and this Field Notes one will do the trick. Lastly, you're going to need a portable photo printer. And there are a ton out there to choose from, but the one I went with was the IV2 from Canon. So the IV2 is super easy to use. Just add in some zinc photo sheets, download the app, connect via Bluetooth, and then you pick which photo you want to print from your phone. You can do things like add text and put other things on top of your photo if you want. I usually just print as is. And then you just watch it come to life. Once your photo has printed, it's time to add it to your Field Notes. And the main reason I chose this printer over the others is that all of the prints are actually stickers. So it's really easy to just peel off the back of the print and just stick it right on the page of your notebook. Then I like to write the date, location, and put a little memory about the photo. It's a simple, fun DIY way to catalog your photos from vacations and family trips, and it also makes for cool little presents for friends and family. So let me know about some of the unique ways you're using pocket notebooks like Field Notes in the comments below. And if you want to snag some Field Notes for yourself, be sure to click on my affiliate link in the description and use the code OUTINTHELIGHTSFN for 10% off of your order. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable this week.